We decided to do like a homemade chicken soup. We've done it with a bit of a twist, and we'll be showing you today. I'll be going over what I did. We made it with barley, so it's like really healthy for you. So what I did, I actually poached the chicken first. It doesn't look too pretty at this point, but it was important for me to show you, like I poached it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just bring it off the bone, and you're going to see how easy it comes off. And I'm going to get rid of the bone, so no one has to get any bones in their soup. And you can see, you just pull it apart. Okay, take it like that, pull it apart. Just chicken breast.
No skin, no.
No skin. I got rid of everything, so it's nice and clean. But as you see, the bones come out really easy. And what's magic about this soup is you can freeze it. So if you do decide to make a big pot of it, like it's a snowy day at home, like we've had this week, and I have a feeling we're going to be getting a few more. It's all chicken there. Take that. Oh, also I cooked it with garlic clove. I just smashed the garlic, so that's going to come out too. And I'm going to keep all this juice in here. Right, so I'm going to put this back, make sure I got all the bones out. I'm going to put this back into the broth. Get rid of anything that's not supposed to be in there. It's just all breast now. Got a little bone there. Let's get that out. And this is we're going to add spinach to it, and carrots and celery, and they're all really healthy. So I'm going to go over here to the oven. Okay, we're going to turn that back on. Right, and as you see, I have, just going to heat that up. And what I have here, I'm going to just chuck everything in. Really, I am. I'm just going to put the onions in. I'm going to put carrots, a little bit of salt and pepper. I did the garlic already, some celery. And some barley. It's that simple. Add the broth. You can use vegetable or chicken broth, whatever you prefer. And we're just going to let that really boil up. Now at the end of it, I'm going to give it about 5 minutes before. I'm going to chuck some baby spinach in there. Spinach has lots of vitamins A and K in there, so it's good to have. And then we're going to put some fresh coriander, cilantro. So I love cilantro. It's used a lot in Spanish cooking, but I love it. I put it in all my soup, so whatever you decide. So I'm going to take it back over here. Now this is what the soup come out like. All right, so this is your soup. Okay, you can see that you have your barley in there, your celery, just with fresh cilantro. And then the vegetarian one, instead of using chicken, I just use beans. So I just started off with a can of beans. So it's that simple. Freeze it, make containers. You can just pop it out the freezer day before. Terrific. All right, the water of the week this week is oranges and lemons. It's a specific name for the oranges.
Navel oranges.
Oh, navel oranges. There you go. So it's navel oranges. They're so sweet and delicious. They are in season this time of year, so get them. They taste delicious. All right, so we have navel oranges and lemons for our water of the week. The soup, well, I did the chicken for about 45 minutes. I boiled I poached the chicken. So once that's completely cooked, you saw how the chicken just fell apart. That's when, I knew that it was good. And then an additional 30 minutes, just on very, very low. And once the barley is cooked and soft, it's more like it's done. And I just added the spinach, maybe like the last 5 minutes. Is steaming healthy? Absolutely. Steaming is very healthy.
Yeah, remember you cook the cook things with just steam, and you can use the water for other things, but also you're not adding any fats, anything. It's great to do that.
Yeah, and all the vitamins are actually going in that soup. So you're getting all the benefits that's why I actually left the spinach like the last minute. You know, I didn't want to like boil the vitamins away, but all the goodness is going into that soup. So you're drinking all that stuff rather than, you know, anything else. I'm going to just show you, like, this is the barley cooked. It actually, it's, oh,
Yeah,
the
it's
sucker
just like
got,
very much
the
like
sucker,
consistency
the
of rice.
sucker got
Yeah.
away, but it's soft. So, you know, but you can taste it. You know, when rice is cooked the same way, you know if it's hard or not. Just keep it going until it's done, and it's good to go. What is barley good for? It has great stuff in it. Barley is high in fiber. It helps lower blood sugar. It helps lower cholesterol. It's good for your digestive system. So it's a good grain to have. It just replaces another
cleans your
grain.
gut. Yeah.
Exactly. So, and you also got some other magic stuff in there, like the celery. It has vitamin A, C, and K, and folate. So really great stuff.